I'm just opening this for the first time with you guys to see what we have. I gotta order so much stuff sometimes. Okay. This is the lace front, outre lace front wig. It's already pre-plucked. Annie Bob, 12 inches. Okay. See what it do, y'all. It's in the number 1. Any wig I get, I always start off with a 1. Just to see if I even like the style of the wig itself before I start indulging in any colors. Oh. So this is it. Oh, that's a good pre-plucked. That's real good. Can't even lie. You see that? Oh, she felt good. I tell you one thing. Synthetic, they have upped the quality for real. You have 2 combs here. You have 1 comb in the back. And it comes with the adjustable straps right here. These where you can unhook them and, you know, however tight you want it, loose, whatever works for you. Also, listen, I'm out of stocking caps, so y'all gonna get this wig on me just as you see it. Here comes the net, the lace. So yes, y'all, this is how it is looking. Asymmetrical vibe. I'm not really into that, like where the back is higher and then it comes longer to the front. It's not really my thing. So most likely I'm the girl who would take a few, let me see how it looks. Yeah, I'm the girl. I'm this girl. Put it behind your ears because I don't really like. But this is given. What? And look at that. And obviously you could glue this down. I don't really like nothing I have to glue down though, because I have edges and I don't want to get rid of them. But this is definitely giving something. I love this. This is cute. This is cute, y'all. What y'all think? Oh, wait. You know, y'all know what I gotta go get. Wait a minute. Now, y'all know. Bitch, auntie. Come on, y'all. This is too cute. Yes, her name. What's her name again? Oh, Anna. Her name is Anna. But I'm going to... This wig will be in the description box if you want to order. Listen. It feels good. You can just go if you want to just get up and go. I'm not going to glue it down like I said because, and some people even, they cut out like baby hairs. But I like a very, yeah, this is the look I like. I like a very natural, oh, showing lace. Yeah, this is my kind of Doobie like. I love a doobie. That's what I'm going to say. I love a doobie. So listen, this is your girl Anna. She is 12 inches. This is a number 1. I ordered it on Amazon, of course. This is the, oh, not Anna. Sorry, y'all. This is the Annie Bob. I ordered it on Amazon. It's 12 inches. The color number 1. And it is by Outre. I believe it was only $24.99. Can't go wrong with that. And yeah, get you a good look. Y'all know Valentine's Day is coming. Get your wigs together. Get whatever you have to get together, because y'all know I've been going through it with my hair. But this is looking like I could take myself out. Okay, I'm loving this. Okay, so